We all remember the exaggerated and natural look of 2000, such as very big breasts, cheekbones, lips, inspired by media and celebrity. Plastic surgery played a significant role in shaping these trends over the year. But what about now? What is the current plastic surgery trends? Let's dive in. The first trend we're gonna speak about is facelift surgery. In the past, this surgery considered as a very scary procedure with brutal scars, long narcosis, long rehabilitation, and overstretched skin. And women usually opt for this operation in their 50s and 60s as a last resort to keep up young. But recently, situation completely changed. Plastic surgeons are using now mini-invasive techniques which result in a shorter operating time and nearly invisible scar. The new approach focuses only on the problematic areas of the face and uses very important vertical deep tissue muscle restoration technique such as mass or deep plane lift instead of horizontal stretching of skin before, and gives the patient the fresh and youthful look without frozen effect. Now people are seeking facelift surgery earlier, in their 30s or 40s, because rehabilitation takes only 7-10 days, with results lasting 10-15 years. Experts predict that this year will be the year of facelift, with in-office procedures such as Botox and fillers supporting this trend. The second trend is the brow and eye lift. In the past, the traditional eyebrow lift involved a long scar across the scalp. Now, with endoscopic techniques, everything is much easier. You only have like 3 or 5 small incision under your hair, and miniature camera is seeing line structures. In only 1 week of rehabilitation period without bruises and scars, you will have an absolutely smooth forehead and your eyebrows will be positioned perfectly. This procedure eliminates the need for Botox and other expensive injectable, and even can reduce the possibility for doing the upper lid surgery. Transconjunctival blepharoplasty, it's a new approach in cosmetic surgery now, especially for the lower eyelids. So where excess of skin and fat removed through the incision of the lower eyelid and there is no visible scars after operation. Rehabilitation period usually lasts only 1 week. Both of these procedures, which I just spoke about, the brow lift and blepharoplasty, often performed together, which give the patient an incredible rejuvenation for the upper face. The injectables like Juvederm and Botox, they are great in erasing the fine lines and prevent the process of aging. But they have their limitations, these injections, especially in the eye area. That's why expert predicts this year that blepharoplasty and brow lift will become increasingly popular. Breast augmentation procedures remain mainly the same, with the focus of mini-invasive techniques and less visible scars. It's important to know that the modern implants remains in the woman's breast permanently now. This year, we expect the shift from this big breast to the smaller breast, and many women want to take out their old big implants or opt for the smaller ones, or do a breast lift without implants at all. Liposuction or fat removal is still a highly demanded procedure because of its permanent results. But people like to use also lipostructure when they go to their plastic surgeon. The doctor removes unwanted fat in the areas where really it bothers people and put it to the areas where it's not enough fat on their body, such as breast, buttocks, or face. Thanks to advancement in technology like laser or radiofrequency machines like Vaser, which are melting fat, this procedure became less traumatic and more fast in the recovery period of time. Most popular with this department is Brazilian butt lift or BBL. If you would like to know more about it, watch my video. In the hands of talented plastic surgeons, the results of these procedures can look like you've been hitting the gym hard. And guess what? More and more men are liking to do liposuction with liposculpture because also you can do the muscle definition on the area of stomach. This year, the world of plastic surgery is all about achieving the most natural result through the mini-invasive techniques which offer long-lasting benefits. If you have comment, please shoot it under my video, and I see you in the next video. Goodbye!